I am no longer buying investment properties in Victoria, and for a lot of people, I don't think it makes much sense either right now. Probably kind of a strange thing for a realtor to say, but hear me out. And if you want someone to tell you, yeah, it's a great time to buy investment properties, it's super fun to be a landlord, and you're going to make a ton of money, this probably isn't the video for you. So I've been investing in Victoria real estate for over 20 years now, and I've been lucky enough to have a pretty diverse portfolio of properties from detached homes to condos. And I even have a pre-sale condo that I bought right at the height of the market in early 2022 that's coming complete this year. I don't think I'll be buying any more investment properties soon, in particular condos, and I'll give you the reasons in this video. I'll save the best for last, but let's get into it. And the first reason is the numbers just don't make a lot of sense. I'm not seeing any cash flow positive investment opportunities for sale. It's break even at best after you factor in insurance costs, strata fees, and property taxes, all of which only go up year after year. With the pre-sale condo I'm closing on this spring, I'll be sinking at least $1,000 a month just to keep it afloat once it's rented out. The best investment opportunities I do see are detached homes or teardowns that could maybe accommodate multifamily units or townhomes, but I'm not a developer. I don't have the expertise to actually go out and build these homes. So these kind of investments are off the table for me. Plus, they also tie up a lot of capital for several years, and it's just too risky. Anything could happen in that time. It's such a long-term payoff. If you can find a vacant 3-plex or 4-plex, then maybe the numbers improve and the cash flow numbers look better. But most of the ones for sale are fully tenanted at below market rents. Condos used to be relatively foolproof. Between 2005 to 2019, it seemed like you couldn't go wrong with buying a condo. The boom is over, and the actual products you're getting now, a lot of times are in inferior locations, on busy streets. The build quality isn't as high as it used to be, and they're usually these shoebox apartments that are maybe 500 square feet that people can't necessarily raise a family in or live in long term. So a lot of people now view them as stepping stones to try and get on the property ladder to eventually either buy a townhome or detached home. But the property ladder is also being pulled up, and it's really hard for people to make that jump now too. I still think Victoria real estate is a great investment if it's your primary residence, but solely as an investment, I think there's better places to put your money. If you're buying a place your kids could one day live in, or maybe you could hold on to and retire into, these kind of hybrid personal/investment scenarios make sense if it's the right building at the right price. All that said, the number one reason I don't advise investing right now is all the new government regulation. Our municipal, provincial, and federal governments have all made it very clear they don't support property investors. Selling a tenanted property has become extremely difficult. As a landlord, you don't have a lot of recourse if your property is damaged, and the damage deposits, they don't even begin to cover what's possible. We've also been hit with lots of new taxes, from the home flipping tax to increases on capital gains. Everything's just made an environment that's not very friendly for small investors. If things change, I would love to invest in Victoria again. Investors are a reason a lot of these projects get built in the first place, and they're part of a housing solution and a healthy economy. But right now, it doesn't make a lot of sense compared to buying, say, ETFs or index funds and having no one call you in the middle of the night about a flooded bathroom or getting a strata noise complaint. Please let me know your thoughts. Are you still buying investment properties? Why or why not? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.